These are the holes that we had to drill in because they didn't line up. You can see how far they're off from the bumper. Had to cut in the opening for around the tubing so it's set back far enough. And also these holes over here had to be put in, again, off location. Underneath, these bolts here do not line up with the bumper, so we're not able to put those in. We are going to cut the holes through here in the new bumper for the lights. And one of the other things we're going to do, we see that you have not done this, is there is no drain holes on the bottom of this frame. This frame is in great shape, but I can feel mud and water sitting back here, and that's what kills these frames. So we are going to put you a weep hole right about here in the bottom of this frame to drain out any water that gets in there, so it stops it from rusting. Just something we're going to do. We want to save your frame for down the road.